Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's keep up with the gold market analysis. So you can see that the recent report on inflation CPI numbers have shaken the market across the board, not only in the gold market, interest rates, forex market as well, all actually supposed to impact widely on all markets. Yesterday we talked about the different scenarios that we could follow here, and actually the last one we said that if you really would like to take more risk and would like to take the part and possible take the bet on possible upward breakouts, so you could try to use the stop buy order around 1832. So that was the most risky scenario, but as you can see, those who have taken the larger risk was rewarded really well. Others, according to our conservative approach, our basic scenario, we said that we should wait for some pullback before taking the long position, despite we have the strong rally, because market recently was a strong resistance. But you can see sometimes the miracle could happen because of the external impact, such as the fundamental report and inflation numbers, and it has helped gold to just break the major resistance area. So this breakout is really very important for a medium-term perspective, because gold market is out not only important resistance level, but also out of the weekly triangle. So currently we have the upward breakout to the weekly triangle, which could mean a lot, and market really could keep going higher gradually within the few weeks probably. So another confirmation that we've got is our fundamental view. So we have spent a lot of time discussing of the importance of the inflation currently. We think that this is the cornerstone of the current market motions across the board. We talked a lot about this in our report dedicated to the forex market. We talked a lot about this in report in the gold market as well. So we think that this is the dominant trading factor currently. So all market makers will use this to shake the markets, bring a lot of volatility, trying to press on the Fed to make it early action on the rate change. And before the December meeting, we still will get another CPI report and a few other statistics on the inflation. And on the background of these statistics, and if we indeed will have some high numbers of inflation in December as well, that will be a really big pressure for the Fed. So we actually think that Fed could follow the pressure, and if inflation indeed will stand high, it could make the decision on the beginning of the second quarter of 2022, and maybe they will sit on their hands through the first quarter of 2022, but they will feel the pressure. If indeed inflation will not start falling, the end of the first quarter will be the edge where the Fed will have made the decision. So currently, overall performance here stands bullish. As you can see, market hits the OP target here with this ABCD pattern, so around 1870. And if you remember, we talked a lot about this type of the hand draw, said it's too skewed, it's not harmonic and so on, but you can see that the fundamental support could really change the shift of the technical patterns. So it seems at this point that hand draws were doomed, and actually it will not work, but somehow, as you can see, it was able to even to complete the target. Now we can see on the daily chart we have a few moments. First of all, gold stands at overbought and at the OP target. By the Chod-Napoli approach, this is the brother of the stretch pattern, which calls it the Kibi trade. It's a combination of the overbought condition and major extension. It also suggests some pullback. Some retracement probably should happen. Taking into consideration how important the 1833, 1835 area was, it's logical to suggest that maybe market could try to retest this area before upward continuation. Next target will be the around previous top of 1916. This is, first of all, this is previous top. And second, this will be also XOP with our recent ABC top pattern. So market hits here the OP. XOP also agrees with the previous top. So the next destination. But first, let's keep watching for the pullback, some retracement. On the follow time frame chart, I have marked this with this yellow line as previous important level. And here we have the nearest standing fib support, so around 1826. So from the technical point of view, it will be not very good if market will erase totally the recent rally. So the pullback here should be gradual. That's why maybe some, we will not see the drop precisely to the 1826 because it stands actually right at the bottom of the thrusting action. But some kind of the ABC repetion here could be formed something like on the hourly chart. So you can see here, here's minor guarded triple to sell is forming. Maybe market will climb slightly high. So if you will get the grabber here, that also supports the idea of the pullback. So some kind of the maybe ABC top D pattern somewhere maybe to the 33, 35 area. It's pullback inside of this rally could happen. As you could consider for taking the long position, maybe it will be guarded triple to buy as well here. So market currently shows nice performance, and probably the power of the recent report and the overall momentum that we've got here should be enough to support the short-term rally and let gold to move slightly higher, at least to the next area, next resistance area. So that's our view currently on the gold market.